دمانتين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أولا ما أنت ومالين عادوين ونوبوين مضينا الصوماليين مدلشرة مدبتشرة مدشي مدنتي مدنور مدقربيشوغا هي مدلكيشرة ومالين عاد نوبوين أو فرحات وين نوري دمانتين وحان الله يلقين ونفسه. جعلها المحير إن الذين كتبوا مارين سوحة أيتاي وإنه بدأنا وكود لوليو محيط كود لوليو كود لوليو واحد كرنزتاي لما مناسبات وعالية رقاية مناسبات كود وحويان مارين في أي شيء قبل هذا كوفرت حرب بدوله وأي كقاتل معناها تولد التلياني وكميسين زنجار به إسلام مارين تاعو كود لوليو وحالم بدودي قبلنا وقوي ونحيا لغاتك يجون قبلنا كقادتي إنجليزك أيا واحد لم بدودي قبلنا الصوت كونفريت وحناك هذا شيء جمهورية الصومالية.
Well, as discussed earlier on, today is a very important day in the history of Somalia. A day Somalians come across a different region and got their independence from colonial power, the British, on the 25th of June in the 1960, and on the 1st of July in 1960 the Italians gave up and gave a destiny to Somalians. Today is a very important day because Somalians across the board came forward and unified, and Somali democratic as a nation was born. Whatever Somalians are, whatever difference they do have, this marks a very important day. Well, every day is a good day, but some days are better than other days. And today is one of those days. Somalia has been engulfed in a war for the 20 years, but this always marks a very important day in the history of their country. And I guess the other message is a lot of Somalians go through a lot of instability, there's starvation. Somalia is in a war that has took away millions of people. Dreams have been shattered, hopes have been destroyed. But today is a day they can wake up and know, well, today is a good day. And it's a day to honor the freedom fighters, the people that stood up for Somalia and actually fight for their independence. Well, the message tonight we would like to put across to both political leaders of this country is just simple. Somalis, as we speak tonight, as we celebrate tonight, the message that we would like you to take home is this. There's millions of Somalians in refugee camps. There's a lot of Somalians that have no hope for the future. Well, today came in a new tax in Australia as a new day to pay a carbon tax, which is securing the generations to come future. Well, as we speak, there's millions of Somalis that have no future, that live in refugee camps as we speak now. Well, they have no means, they have no way to come to Australia. Well, if they will have come to the shore of Australia, we'll have said to them, "G'day, come in." But where they are is millions kilometers away from where we're standing tonight. So, as you go back to your loved one tonight, as you go back tomorrow morning to your political friends and to your colleagues, please do remember there's millions of Somalis that actually, as we speak in refugee camps, that are waiting for no one, but waiting for the political elite of this country and the West to give them a hope.
inkastoo ay tahay maalin weyn oo taariikhi ah inkastoo ay tahay maalin weyn oo dad badan oo Soomaaliyeed qabriga u galeen helitaanka xorrimo haddana waxaa xusuus mudan inuu burburay dalkeena waxaa xusuus mudan oo inaan marnaba ilaaweyn inaynu nahay qaxooti waxaa xusuus mudan xaqaynu ku sugannahay waxaa xusuus mudan yaa dhiban inaynu dhaawar yaa dhiban aawe carruurteennii aawe dhalinteennii aawe hooyooyinkeen aawe waalidkeen aawe walaalaheen inkastoo aynu halkan joogno haddana xorriyadda maalinteeda waa inaynu qayb ka dhignaa maalin murugo oo dadkeennii dhibaato ku habsatay 21 sano ay la intiran yihiin wax arxan oo haystaana aysan jirin oon innaga oo codkeena kor qaata aynan haysto.
Well, thank you so much once again for coming forward tonight to be part of the 52nd Somali Independent Day. As we speak, Somalians always reflect on this day, because this is the day they took a destiny into their own hands. But once again, Somalians call home in a lot of places, including Australia. Somalians come from all sorts of directions, and they have been supported. But having said that, we still need some more support. We need to secure the future generation of tomorrow. Well, as we speak now, the hopes of millions of people lies on the hands of people like myself and everyone here tonight. As we reflect and honor the freedom fighters that got independence 52 years ago, today we're more desperate for more help. We're more desperate for more people to come forward and actually offer a settlement and give them a second chance in life. Well, sometimes you get a good life. The first day that you get a life is when you're born. But in 21 years ago, Somali went into a war and millions of people died. Some lucky here tonight got a second chance in life, thanks to the Australian government and a lot of non-government organizations that are here tonight. Well, the journey hasn't quite finished yet. We've got millions of people right across in sub-Saharan Africa that need desperate help. And as we go forward to the future, please do remember and always try to do the best you can to give support to those people. Thank you.
Many well, madam. Maraboina nilawo abalki dalo galay. Abalka Australia North gashay wamitaan ku joogno. waxaan kaloo rabaa inaan mahad celiyo dawladda Australia uga mahad celiyo message-kan ay iga gaarsiiyaan mudanayaasha halkan u fadhiya markii sanadkii hore 2010 ay Soomaaliya ku habsadeen abaaruhu Prime Minister-kii Australia wuxuu ahaa qofka koowaad caliisa ku tagay adduunka oo dhan الله يفصل في البلاد الصومالية تاسنا وحيرة تاريخنا مرنا أي لا ودور المدة الصومالية مدرسة يجوعان وحنور عدالة تركيا أستراليا يتوقف ويجوع على نسيج ولداس هذا ما تاريخ ده صقر وحيرة دونتا المايجا وحنا عندهم مثل ما يقولها هيستوريا الصومالية دولة أستراليا هي دولة تركيا وأريدها الصومالية كذلك الدوينات كلنا وحنولنا هاي قضية أستراليا iyo Turkiga kulmada Soomaaliya badbaadiya naf dhimanaysa oo u baahan in la badbaadiyo baritana gashada abaal waayo dhulka Soomaaliya iyo dadka Soomaaliya labadaba waxay istaaylaan in abaal la gashado dadkeedu waa dad istaaylaan abaal la gashado dhulkeedu waa dhul istaaylaan abaal la gashado ma aha dhul faqriya waa dhul qani ah waa dhul u baahan nabadgelyo kaliya wuxuu leeyahay buuri wuxuu leeyahay badi oo badda ugu dheer xeebta Afrika ugu dheer baan leenahay waxaanu haysanaa wabiyadii oo aan gooyin waxaanu haysanaa xoolihii noolaa oo iyaguna barwaaqo soorana waxaanu haysanaa beerihii waxaanu haysanaa macdantii oo daboolka laga qaadin dawlad waliba waxay naga shaqo ayay bari nageelaysaa dadka iyaga wixii seefgareeya ayaa dhulka iyaga ka noqon doona macnaha historygiisa ka mid noqon doona marka waxa weeyaan madin dad madan oo ilaawo wixii loo galo waan xusuusanahay wixii Kevin Rudd noo galay dawladda Australia noo gashay
Well, on behalf of the community, I guess the message is one. We would like to thank the Australian government for giving each and every Somalian a second chance in life. A couple of years ago, we had the worst humanitarian disaster took place in the Horn of Africa. Australia as a country came forward, and at the time Australian Foreign Minister Kevin Rudd went over to visit some of the people across the board and brought back the message to Australian government to be given more donation to the Somalians at that time, desperate for humanitarian needs. Well, as you can see tonight here, we are a lot of Australians. This is what makes Australia, and this is what makes this country a great nation.